Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Guys, today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1970. This is a real Cuda, matching numbers 340 4-speed car. Great car. The guy I bought it from, Jeff, he's owned this car since 2003. It's got 7,600 miles on a body-up restoration, factory B5 blue car. It's got the black vinyl top, black vinyl interior, but again, it is a matching numbers 340 car with the matching numbers pistol grip, 4-speed manual transmission in it. 8 3/4 rear end with a 373 sure grip. Good, solid, straight car, guys. Again, I bought it from a gentleman. He's pretty local. He's down in Toledo. I met him at a show. Just a good car. A couple of things you can kind of nitpick in the paint, but man, just a good car. And matching numbers, 70 Cudas aren't easy to come by, guys. These Mopars are tough to get. We're a little spoiled right now. We got a few of them, but they're going out as fast as we can get them advertised. Very nice car. Again, 7,600 miles on the restoration. Pretty paint, good, solid, straight car. Again, a real Cuda. It's got the sport hood on it. Dash is very nice. Matter of fact, that's a new dash. He said they put a new dash pad on it. Vinyl top's in great shape. Scratch there too. You can kind of pick at it a little bit, but very, very nice. Go wing. Nice and flat down the sides. Those are BF Goodrich white letter tires all the way around it with the factory rally wheels. It's got the correct Cuda rear valance with the chrome tips. A good car. I've got a copy of the broadcast sheet, guys. We don't have the broadcast sheet when Jeff bought it. All he got was a copy of it, but that does go with the car. It's in the trunk. Front disc brakes. It is a factory B5 blue car. Again, matching numbers 340 car. It's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel on it. It's got a Mopar aluminum intake on it. Headers, power steering, power disc brakes, electronic ignition. It's got the Mopar radiator with the shroud. And it does have the matching numbers, pistol grip 4-speed manual trans. There's your fender tag there. Put a photo of it on the web as well. Great car, guys. Just a good, straight driver. Dual sport mirrors. That's just some wax in the vents there, guys. Bunch of new cars, guys. Quite a few Mopars. They're selling about as fast as I can get them on that web, though, guys. I'll tell you that. Door trim's nice. Again, it's got the dual sport mirrors on it. Black vinyl interior, remote driver's mirror. bucket seats, stock steering wheel, pistol grip shifter. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. It's got the factory rally dash with the tach and gauges. Aftermarket radio. 7632 on the odometer, guys. He said that the guy he bought it from said when he restored the car it had about 50,000 miles on it, but he reset the odometer when he restored it. Again, it's got dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 373 sure grip in there. There's a copy of the original broadcast sheet. It's all, they blacked it out in here. New trunk pan. They put new quarters on the car. Did a nice job of it. It's nice and clean underneath. Seats are nice. Again, the car drives down the road good. Just a good car. Steering wheel's in great shape. Dash is nice. Again, the aftermarket radio. Stock pistol grip. It's got the Cuda embroidered mats. Little cam to it, nothing crazy, pump gas engine. Nice little cam to it though, so it's got a little rumble. You're gonna have to pin those, Jay. Tach does work. It's got the parking brake set, it works. Looks like all your gauges are functional. Try Jab to give you a reg so you can see the tach moving. Backup lights work. Like you say, guys, just a good car. Reverse light works in the dash, radio works, blower motor, Jay? Yep. Blower motor does work, guys. I know the wipers come on because unfortunately got a little rain when well, it always makes a liar out of you, right? Oh, it's sticking, sorry. Yeah, it's just sticking down there. I know they work though because it unfortunately got a little wet when I was trying to load it on the truck. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. If you guys see me at the shows, I'm downloading pictures as I'm buying them. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's just a good car, guys. Good, solid, straight driver, man. Nice and flat down the sides. Numbers matching Cuda. great day, guys.